My favorite book to read to her is Stella Luna. She really likes that book.
Because I can read fluently on that one.
Seedlings was started back in 1984 by Deborah Bondi, who continues to be our director. She read about a class for learning how to transcribe Braille into print. And she thought, now that's something I can do. Back then, and even today, Braille books can cost $100 a book. Deborah didn't think that was fair. She loves children, she loves reading, so she started transcribing children's books into Braille and charging just for the cost of the paper. And word spread and that this woman in Detroit was doing this, and demand for her books grew. So she started Seedlings, and she named it because she believes that if you put a book into the hands of a child, the love for reading will grow.
I remember begging Deborah Bondi to Braille Anne of Green Gables, and because it was $80 for me to get it from another source, and eventually they included it in the catalog. So that was one of the cool things about going through the journey, just all these different books I came across and then being able to recommend them.
What they do for these kids is very important. The fact that it started from just her wanting to give an opportunity to kids who couldn't just go to the library and pick out any book that they wanted, and now they have that opportunity, and they come straight to their house and they're able to choose from a lot of different types of books. And she started getting books when she was really small, and now she's in second grade and she's still able to order the books. And the fact that they have them for older kids, and a lot of the books that they are required to read in school, or even just to have something fun to read when they're at home. It's just very important.
To continue to produce our books, we need funding. Every $10 that we receive allows us to produce another book. And of course, we need reliable volunteers to continue to help us produce our books. And we need to let individuals who are blind and their parents know that we're available to provide them with books for pleasure reading.
She will invest money into things that she can add income to keep this steady and afloat, and it's a good business, which it is. She's a very good businesswoman, and she knows how to keep the book straight. That's very important. She does so darn much good for so many people. We got to help her. These are the ones you got to save.
Seedlings is a fantastic organization. The people here, the employees, the staff, the volunteers, the donors, and the families that we've touched. It's just fantastic to come back as a board member to watch such a great organization continue to flourish. It wouldn't be possible without the tremendous support that we've received, and we have such a tremendous staff that makes this mission possible every day. So Deb Bondi is a real inspiration. I don't think ever thought that her little idea back in her basement in 1984 was going to turn into over 500,000 books. distributed across the world 34 years later. But I think that the mission of the organization and giving blind children an opportunity to read and succeed is really a gift that we can never measure.